Hello, this is a quick overview of where to find different accessibility resources in the CAASPP website. Notice I'm at the CAASPP homepage, caaspp.org. I'm going to go to Test Administration and then go to the bottom of the drop-down menu and click on Student Accessibility Resources and Test Settings. Once I'm on this page, I'm going to scroll down to accessibility resources. Notice there's two sections, one for administrators and one for students. In the administrator sections, there's different guides and help docs. One that I'm asked for often is the scribing protocol. And then for students, there's the keyboard commands for students, which is a document of shortcuts, which might be helpful in supporting a student who manipulating the mouse could be an obstacle in taking the test. And below that, there are the supports, the principles for non-embedded resources, like the multiplication table and the hundreds table. Then down a little bit further is the accessibility resource webcasts and trainings. I find this one very helpful. Embedded Universal Tools, Designated Supports, and Accommodations video tutorials. So these are helpful. As a teacher, you can find videos of different supports and see how the kids use them. Then you also might show one of these to a student. So if a student is struggling using the highlighter, there's a video here, 1 minute and 52 seconds, on how to use the highlighter. And at the very bottom of this page, there is a link to the CAASPP Student Accessibility Resources page. This page has definitions that are helpful in determining which students are eligible for specific supports. And it also has the graphics for each area. For instance, this is the ELA graphic that shows tools that are universal tools, some that are designated supports, and then accommodations.